Here is the truth. Most people find it very challenging to succeed in whatever they are doing simply because they cannot focus. So they chase distractions, they please everyone and stay busy doing nothing. If you want to be different and if you want to be unstoppable, then start saying no. Because this is the mindset shift that separates the winners from the world. Let's dive right in. Are you someone who knows what to do to get results, but cannot make yourself do it? If you're tired of getting in your own way and want to stop doing that, then this might be the podcast that changes everything. Welcome to Rajesh Murthy's Podcast. You see, focus is not about what you choose to do. Focus is about what you knowingly or intentionally refuse to do, or you decide not to do. Because saying no to almost everything that does not help you become a better person today, that is the secret. That's the secret to high achievers. And for me, it was very, very hard to do. In fact, this is the hardest thing I think I've ever done, because I kept wanting to go back to the problems that did not move the needle and do some tasks just because I wanted to be busy and I needed to do them. But I refused to give in to this human tendencies pull every day today after learning that focus is everything. So what I must do, I must say no to everything in order to create, produce and deliver world-class content that shifts the results for my people, my tribe. I know it's not easy. It's a constant struggle for me between drifting and being driven. But somehow I overcome it because focus is everything. So focus. So how do you get it? Simple. So what you do, you first find something that you enjoy or you are totally obsessed with that needs to be done as a priority that particular day. And then what do? You remove everything that's in the way and you remove everyone that's in the way. Because most people I meet do not have focus because their life has got so many focuses that are sucking away their brain and their attention. Most of them are only half awake with a recurring question, where did my day go? For example, let's imagine that you remove drinking, mindless socializing, TV, people pleasing, or criticizing others, fault finding, correcting, and constant complaining, for example. You remove all of them, they're all gone. Now nothing but your goal is left behind, isn't it? And now in this case, your brain will only have that thing to cling about and think about, your goal. And then you can forget about all that self-help drama and industry. Because winners always do what losers don't so that they can have all the things that losers will never have. And focus gets that job done. So no matter how much we wish it weren't true, this is the main difference between all successes and all failures. People who cannot focus, they all become losers. And it has got nothing to do with their productivity either. Because they cannot focus, they are productive on all the wrong things. In fact, some of them are super productive on all the wrong things because we are wired that way. So choose not to be a common man because it's your right to be uncommon if you can. Be relentless and be focused and unstoppable because these are the things that people cannot take away from you. And then you will know there is something special about you when you arrive. You know why? Because especially when people who have much more than you, they are envious of you because 97% of the people around you, they cannot do it. They cannot focus. They are consistently inconsistent. So be different and get different results. Stay sharp all the time. Stay different. And most importantly above all, stay focused. Talk soon. Thank you for listening. For more insights and deeper shifts, subscribe to this podcast or explore more at rajeshmurthy.com.